again, welcome on board the 1880 train. As the train pulls out of station, look around at the granite peaks and thick ponderosa pine forests surrounding you. An army expedition led by George Custer turned up gold a few miles south of here in 1874. Within months, there were thousands of miners, mule skinners, madams, gunslingers, and gamblers swarming across the landscape, eager to get their hands on some of the shiny yellow metal. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride aboard the 1880 train. With us, you do not need to worry about anything else. Let us do the driving. This is the best attraction to spend time with family and friends while enjoying the Black Hills, just like the early pioneers, miners, and settlers when they discovered the West.
There's our first railroad crossing on our way to Keystone. 19 more to go. Caesar is our conductor. John is the brakeman. I'm Rita, your host. The conductor and brakeman will be coming through to collect your tickets, so please have them ready to collect. Thank you.
As we leave Hill City and enter the Black Hills National Forest, note the markers lining the tracks along our journey. The black and white markers are milepost signs. Details about the sites located at specific markings are listed in the All Aboard the 1880 Train guidebook. The 1880 train goes north, then turns east up Tin Mill Hill, so named because a huge tin processing facility was erected here by the Harney Peak Company. The grade of the track deviates from 4 to 6%, making this one of the steepest railroads in the United States. This puts considerable strain on the locomotive, and the engineer usually takes this opportunity to blow sand through the locomotive's boiler flues to cleanse the soot from them. Hills covers more than 2 million acres, an area roughly the size of Delaware. Half of that is the Black Hills National Forest. The entire mountain range spans about 120 miles, with the southern tip to the north, and about 60 miles east to west. Hill City is almost in the exact center. Founded as a mining camp in 1875, Hill City was one of the first settlements in the Black Hills. It moved in the 1880s as the headquarters for a massive tin mining and manufacturing company, and later as a junction point for the railroad to Denver. During and after World War II, lithium was mined south of town and was used in nuclear power plants across the